DexScreener is a tool that allows users to track and analyze decentralized finance markets. Making money on DexScreener revolves around leveraging its features for trading cryptocurrency on decentralized exchanges. Here's how you can use it to potentially make money. Track real-time market data. DexScreener provides live market data from various DEXs. You can track price movements, volume, liquidity, and other metrics for cryptocurrencies across different chains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and others. By staying informed on price trends, you can identify good opportunities for buying low and selling high. Identify new tokens and pairs. DexScreener allows you to discover newly listed tokens and trading pairs. Early investment in a newly launched token before it gains popularity can result in significant profits if the coin's value increases. Leverage charting tools. Utilize DexScreener's advanced charting tools to analyze price patterns and historical data. Technical analysis can help you predict future price movements, enabling you to time your trades more effectively. Arbitrage opportunities. Monitor multiple DEXs for price discrepancies. You can take advantage of arbitrage opportunities by buying a token on one exchange at a lower price and selling it on another for a profit.